Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. And if it is the first time for watching to my channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe. And here we have given a question: 3 power x minus 2 power x equals to 65. And you are supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide a solution very quickly. And of course, we have to copy what we have given: 3 power x minus 2 power x equal to 65. And we know that when you have here 3 power x means that you have power 1, and minus here 2 power x, of course, power 1 equal to 65. And here in a fraction, when we have 1 can be equal to fractions that are looking same. It means that we have 3 power x, and this one can be written as 2 over 2 minus here 2 power x, and this one can be written as 2 over 2, which equals to 65. Now, according to the law of indices here, we can write this as, because we have 2 times, have 2x over 2, so that here we shall write x over 2 power 2, which is the same, minus this one, 2 power x over 2 squared, which equals to 65. Right. Now, if you are seeing as means that here we have difference of two squares. We have 3 power x minus 2 minus this 2x over 2 times 3 power x over 2 plus here 2 power x over 2 equals to 65. I think everything is clear, but at this stage we can let, in order to make everything to be clear, 3x over 2 be a, and of course here 2 power x over 2 be b. Now we can interchange them by substituting. We have a minus b times a plus b equals to 65. And of course, this a minus b should be less than to a plus b. So we have 65, and 65 can be here written as 13 times 5, right? Now, because we have seen that this one should be less than to this, we can write this 65 as a minus b times a plus b equal to 5, instead of writing 13 times 13. It means that this 5 should be less than to 13. So we can equalize to each other a minus b to be equals to 5, and a plus b equals to 13. Then by solving simultaneously, we shall get 2a equal to 18, and here a will be 9. And you have to find here b from a minus b, which is equals to 5, so that we have 9 minus b equals to 5, so that negative b equals to negative 4, and our b will be here 4. Now remember, we have seen that 3 power x over 2 equals to a, right? And of course we have seen that 2 power x over 2 equals to b. Now we're going to find the value of x here. We have 3 power x over 2 equals to 9, and this will be 3 power x over 2, which equals to 3 squared. And of course, because we have same base, you have to equalize power. X over 2 equals to 2, so that you can make cross multiplication to get x equals to 4. And here we can check on another side to get that 2 power x over 2 equals to 4, and 2 power x over 2 right here should be 2 power 2. Because of same base, you can equalize power. X over 2 should be equals to 2, so that x, due to cross multiplication, x will be equals to 4. Then our solution set shall say that here x equals to 4. And here you have to remember that you have to check. We have given 3 by replacing 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4 equals to 65, question mark, and this is 81 minus 16, which is equal to 65, and of course this is 65, which is equal to 65, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.